The option is to use that Form 1127. Now, there's an important distinction between these two forms that we need to point out. Filing extension, Form 4868, is automatic. You don't need a reason, no questions asked. The extension is automatic. Payment extension is not automatic. You do need a reason. You have to explain in the Form 1127 that you exercised reasonable business care and prudence in providing for your tax. You did the things a reasonable person would do, knowing that you had this tax obligation coming up, but due to circumstances beyond your control, you can't pay on time. All right. So there has to be some good faith explanation as to why you can't pay. You can't just say, well, IRS, we bought our tickets for the family cruise last week and now we're out of money. So, can I get a payment? You're going to face penalties and interest in that situation. The important factor that comes into play here, and that is hardship. All right. The term hardship, as used by the IRS, means inability to pay necessary living expenses. So if you were faced with a situation over the course of the last year that put you into a position, as I said, you simply could not pay necessary living expenses, or more accurately, if you paid the tax, you would be in a position where you couldn't pay necessary living expenses. That by definition is hardship. All right. So if you're facing a layoff, or if you're facing a downturn in your income for whatever reason, as a self-employed person, if you had some fire, flood, hurricane, some medical disaster of some kind, illness, injury, catastrophic injury, that sort of thing that put these financial demands on you that you could not foresee, then that's the kind of thing that causes hardship that will get you that extension.
So what you're saying is there's really no application for a rich person to just delay paying their taxes because they don't want.